You guys, oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm sorry if you can hear humming in the background. It's because I have my fan on in here because it's really cold. Or really hot, excuse me. This thing is heavy. I finally got the BTS Proof CD. Only cost me $80, but oh well. And I got this from Barnes & Nobles. It said it was the standard edition, but I don't know. There's so much to unpack in here. And since my birthday's coming up next week, I figured I'd just buy it for myself because I know nobody in my family's going to want to spend $80 on BTS. Okay, so first of all, this thing probably weighs like 5 pounds. It comes in this really pretty little clear sleeve that has the album art, and then it says Proof on the back. I'm trying to hold the sleeve so there's no glare. And then the box has the same art. Oop, I'm holding it upside down. Okay, that's better. It took me forever to realize this actually said Proof on it. I just saw the BTS logo and I didn't realize it said Proof. And then, not that this is a big deal, but the writing on the back of this is all holographic and it's really pretty, and then it says Proof on the side with the BTS logo. Okay, and then it opens up like that. And the first thing is we have a little ribbon that says we are bulletproof, which the Eternal version is one of my favorite songs of theirs. It's so good. Part 2 is kind of eh. Okay, so first off we have the CDs. That says Proof, and it's got the BTS logo on the back, of course. And then here's the art on the inside. I love that. And hopefully I don't lose any CDs. It pops out and all the CDs are right there. That says Proof over here. And it has all the track listings. I'm not sure if I'll have to turn this backwards in post or not. I will figure it out later. So then it's got this little envelope with photo cards in it. It's got one standard size photo card and then 7 minis. So, for the standard size, I got my baby Sugar. He's so cute. And then, I think this is him also. Can't quite tell the guys from the back. And the outfit looks slightly different. And then I got little mini cards. So I got Jimin. This one I got the whole group. And we have J-Hope. Worldwide Handsome. Sugar. Cookie with his eyebrow piercing. RM. And save the best for last, my baby V. Oof. And then I got this special edition photo card, which is all holographic, and it's RM holding a baby picture of the guys. Yeah, they were like teeny, teeny, tiny there. Okay. So we have those. Let me get these put back so I don't lose them. I wasn't quite expecting how much stuff there is in here when I opened it, so it's like, holy cow. Okay. And then we have this giant book that's the art of Proof. So it's all like the album art. And then some quotes from the guys. We were the bullet and you guys are our proof. I'm gonna cry. How is it possible for them to look so friggin' good? I don't understand it. Like, I really don't. But holy cow. Oof. It has a picture of them from the UN last year. Oh, and it has their speech from 2018. Wow. I like that. And it has pictures from their tours. And all the tour stops. Good gosh. This is amazing. And it talks about all their records and their promo pictures for all the albums. So there's the one for Butter, and they all look amazing. On the one for PTD. Oof. I love it. Okay, I'm not going to flip through all that because we'll be here all day. Okay, then this is the photo shoot for Proof. So it's going back into the vault. Oof. And then this picture of Cookie right here is... oh my god, I can't. I don't know what kind of noise that was, but it was inhuman. I will say that. Oh my god. I want to pull that out and put it up on my wall so badly. I'm not going to do that though. But I want to. Okay, so there's the photo shoot. And then we have more photos from the shoot. There's oh my. Okay. Well, this is the epilogue, so I guess it's after. And I wish I could read Korean so I knew what these were saying, because it has a little speech from each guy in there, and I can't tell what the heck they're saying. Unless, nope, RM didn't do his in English, dang it. I was hoping. Okay, so there's that. Okay, then, we have the lyric book. And it has all the song credits on there. This is nice. Okay, so, oh no. And then last but not least, I'm not going to put this up in my room because I'll get clobbered, but I really want to. We have a full-size Proof poster. So, whoops, where's the end of it? Ta-da! Can you see all that? Sort of, kind of, maybe? Oh, they all look so good. Like, oh my gosh. And this thing is ginormous. Oh, oh gee. Okay. Now this was like $79.99 at Barnes & Noble's before my member discount, which helped out a lot. And I'm going to try to get the compact edition from my aunt and uncle, if I can, because I know my parents won't buy it for me, but at least someone will. So, alright, I'm going to put the sleeve back on this, and that was my BTS Proof album unboxing, first look, whatever. I am so happy to have this. I was having a bad day today, so it's like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. I don't care. And I'm really happy I did. Alright, I love all you little snowflakes. I got my wig collection video edited, and I will be posting it very soon, so I don't know if you're going to see this one first or that one, but we'll find out. I love all you little snowflakes, and always remember to let it go. See ya!